Sam Walsh, after his first year as CEO since taking over from Tom Albanese, has exceeded his cost targets by $300 million. That's flowed on to free cash flow and right down onto the bottom line, and it's paid down more debt than analysts were expecting. And the result of that is going to be, investors are hoping that Rio is going to be in a position, probably the start of next year, to start paying that back to shareholders in the form of maybe a buyback or a special dividend. The aluminium division was a real surprise. It was expected to break even, which probably might have even been an okay accomplishment given it was bought 7 years ago for $40 billion in the form of Alcan, and has nearly brought the company to its knees. But Sam and his executives have managed to deliver a $500 million profit, which is really a tribute to the cost savings that they've put in there, and actually sets it up for if there is a rebound in aluminium prices, which Rio tell us there might be longer term, that's going to be a real bonus for the company. And the other thing to note in Rio's report was the outlook for the broader global economy. Surprisingly, Rio was upbeat even in the short term. I was talking green shoots in OECD economies, and it's actually saying this year we're going to see OECD countries underpin broader economic growth for the first time in a long time. So, and at the same time, China is humming along nicely, Rio says, and looking out to 2020, it's confident that growth from other developing nations is going to continue to spur commodities demand.